Old Habour most wanted man, Fry Eye, shot and succumbed to his injuries by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man said to be a person of interest in relation to a case of murder was allegedly shot and killed by the police during a confrontation in Old Habour, St. Catherine on Wednesday morning. He has been identified as 26-year-old Daniel Farquharson, or Fry Eye, of a Old Habour address. It is reported that at around 6 a.m. a team of police personnel from the St. Catherine South Police Division went to the home of the now deceased on a targeted raid. It is further reported that when the team entered the house, Farquharson opened gunfire at them. The police then took evasive action and returned the fire, and he was hit during the shootout. A woman who is believed to have been in the house at the time of the shooting was also shot in her leg. They were both rushed to hospital where Farquharson succumbed to his injuries and the woman admitted. 2 illegal firearms were seized during the operation. A .22 revolver and a Glock pistol were also recovered from the scene along with some rounds of ammunition. The Independent Commission of Investigation has since launched a probe into the matter. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.